ridiculous, the amount of stuff that's in here. Okay. Yeah, like they threw their baskets out and they threw all their crap in their baskets. Sidewalk chalk spray. Popcorn. And they call that a dog food. Yeah, there's more popcorn in here. Oh look, this one still has the handle on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me fill it up. More popcorn. It's a notebook with a poop on it. Whatever this thing is. Some of this I can't tell exactly what it is, but I'm just gonna voice changer and some foam. Nunchucks. Little. Okay, well, usually when we get these, they're broken. But we'll take it and see. What in the heck am I looking at? Oh, it's a big stack of. Oh, Jesus. A big stack of monitor stands. I just thought it was garbage. It's not, though. One of these drinks. This is deflated. I'm going to leave it. A spinning pop socket. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's so much stuff. Boxes and stuff. But it's on top of all this stuff, so it's really hard to get to. More of these in a different color. There's a ton of these in here. I hope they weren't recalled or something. They don't look broken. Yoga mat, it says damage, but we'll take it and see. Look at all this stuff, guys. Like boxes, packaging. They're making me work for it today. It's empty. That's got a broken lid, but we can just use it. Some jewelry. That looks really, really broke. I'll leave that. Table. Another one of these things. These are really big. And the Slinky's coming whether I want it or not, I guess. Okay. There's just one more thing I really want. Big old box of Slim Jims. Okay. Bath and Body. nothing. We got... Oh, this is broke.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a turtle.
Yeah,
Well, I'm gonna take him and see if I can do something with him because he's broke on the bottom.
Okay.
I don't know if I can do something with him, but I'm gonna try. Nothing. We have a new dumpster in this area, and it is for a Market by Macy's. So we got beat today, so there's probably nothing in here. But I just want you guys to know that we finally have a Macy's dumpster we can dive at, and that's super exciting. It's like packaging, hangers, if we needed hangers. Some of them are broken though. More packaging. Okay. Nothing good. Okay, I got the pet store. See if this harness is any good. Looks okay. I don't know if there's anything else in here. Let's see. Another harness. Great, guys. I hope it's not broken. Collars and harnesses. That looks like, I'm not sure what that is. To see. Cat litter. Got some cleaner and some leashes. And the dog food. Oh, never mind, that's broke. We'll leave this. I think that's it, guys, and they're open, so we gotta go. Couple things at Bath and Body today. So we got a broken candle. Like this thing. I don't have room for that, or I'd take it. Like a big frickin' chandelier. Candle. Yeah, look at the size of that thing. I'd take it, but we don't have room for it.
I wonder where that even came from.
I don't know. I think somebody dumps in here sometimes. That's just broken glass from a candle. There's no candle in that one. Oh, something's wet. Something's wet and it smells like dirty diaper in here, so I think that's it. So the first place we found stuff was Five Below, and there were 11 of these monitor stands in there. It doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with them. A couple of them, they are missing the little bottoms, but they all still work fine. I think this store is going through some kind of reset, because they also had 82 Slim Jims in the dumpster. So there's like the regular ones, they're $2.25. The monster ones, I think, are $3.25. There's this Savage size. There's the Big Boss with cheese. So 82 Slim Jims, $250 worth of Slim Jims. And they're not expired. So that was pretty exciting. And then we have 4 bags of this Boom Chicka Pop. These are expired, but they're probably still good. We haven't tried them yet, so I don't know. There's one of those weird drinks that they carry, grape drink. And then just some random stuff. Some of it's kind of damaged, like this incense holder has like a chip in it. But some of it's just fine. I have to test these. I always have to test these. They work like half the time usually. So just some random little things from there. So that was Five Below. They also had a bunch of their shelving in the dumpster, which is why I think they're doing some kind of reset. So we're going to be keeping an eye on them for the next, couple weeks. Bath and Body, we didn't get a lot from there, but this guy is super cute. He's one of their little candle holders, and his foot on this side is broken off, and it was in there in a bag. So I might try to fix him up a little bit, but I don't know, because if you put him just against the wall, you can't even tell. So he was $29.99. So that's crazy, but he's super cute. And then we just got a broken candle. It's sugared lemon zest. So that's what we got from Bath and Body. And here's PetSmart. So I'm assuming they threw this litter away. It's not on recall, and I can't turn it sideways for you guys because it's got a cut in it right here. So I think that's why they threw it away. But it's a 7-pound microcrystal cat litter. So we'll use that. And then this was in a plastic bag. Maybe it was leaking. Not sure, but some dog urine destroyer spray. And then we have some canned cat food. Chicken and turkey lovers. My cats will love that. And I don't know if these, I have to check for recalls on these, so if you guys know anything about that, let me know. Sometimes you guys know things that I don't. But these don't seem like there's anything wrong with them. They didn't destroy them. We got some leashes. There's 2 of the nylon leashes and 2 of the polyester leashes. And then some collars. 3 harnesses. They're all pink. There's 2 size XL and 1 size extra small. So 3 of those. And there's a little safety pin on that one, and I don't know why. I just noticed it. So that was from PetSmart. So that is it for the haul. Some of the feedback I've been getting is that I take too long on my reveals, so I tried to keep this one short and sweet. Let me know what you guys think. Should it be a little longer? Should it be even shorter? Should I not do it at all? Let me know what you think. So we'll see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.